So, madalas nating napapakinggan yung kantang, "Be still and know that you are God." What do we mean by be still? Have you ever heard the phrase, still waters? So, when we say still waters, quiet, clear waters. So, our mind is compared to waters. Mga pagkakataon yung mind natin nag-wave, maingay, may storm sa mind natin. Nagkakaroon tayo ng anxiety, ng depression, and nagka-cloud yung mind natin. Now, when we say be still, that means our minds needs to be at peace, needs to be quiet. Right? In Psalms chapter number 46 verse number 10, "Be still and know that I am God." So we need to know who God is, what He can do, ano yung mga promises niya, ano yung mga commandments niya, so that our minds will be still. Isaiah chapter 26 verse number 3, New Living Translation, "You will keep in perfect peace all who trust in you, all whose thoughts are fixed in you." So when we trust the Lord and fix our minds or thoughts in Him, then we will have perfect peace and our minds will be still.